What are collocations? Collocations are natural combinations of words that frequently go together in English.
They sound right to native speakers because they are commonly used together.
For example, make a mistake. Not do a mistake, take a photo. Not make a photo. Why collocations matter? They make your English sound natural and fluent. They help you avoid strange or unnatural English.
Example sentences. I made a mistake in the exam. She took a photo at the party. We had breakfast together. They went shopping yesterday. Now let's practice with a fun quiz.
But before that, please take a moment to like and comment if you are enjoying our podcast.
Your support will motivate us to make more videos.
I am Max.
I am Lily. Now let's begin. 1. The news to his family. The answer is he broke the news to his family.
2. We want to shopping tomorrow. The answer is we want to go shopping tomorrow.
3. She always her bed in the morning. The answer is she always makes her bed in the morning.
4. Can you a decision quickly? The answer is can you make a decision quickly?
5. She a cold after walking in the rain. Answer, she caught a cold after walking in the rain.
6. He up a new hobby last year. Answer, he took up a new hobby last year.
7. She her homework before dinner. Answer, she did her homework before dinner.
8. He attention to the instructions. Answer, he paid attention to the instructions.
9. She a crime and was arrested. Answer, she committed a crime and was arrested.
10. He a secret for many years. Answer, he kept a secret for many years.
11. She the bus and had to walk home. Answer, she missed the bus and had to walk home.
12. He a business with his brother. Answer, he ran a business with his brother.
13. She money for her vacation. Answer, she saved money for her vacation.
14. He his temper during the argument. Answer, he lost his temper during the argument.
15. She a risk by changing careers. Answer, she took a risk by changing careers.
16. He a phone call to his mother. Answer, he made a phone call to his mother.
17. She me some good advice. Answer, she gave me some good advice.
18. He the world record in swimming. Answer, he broke the world record in swimming.
19. The building fire last night. Answer, the building caught fire last night.
20. She a shower before breakfast. Answer, she took a shower before breakfast.
21. He a useful suggestion at the meeting. Answer, he made a useful suggestion at the meeting.
22. She me a favor yesterday. Answer. She did me a favor yesterday.
23. He in touch with his old classmates. Answer. He kept in touch with his old classmates.
24. She an effort to arrive on time. Answer. She made an effort to arrive on time.
25. He a short break from work. Answer. He took a short break from work.
26. She a complaint about the noise. Answer. She made a complaint about the noise.
27. He my attention with his story. Answer. He caught my attention with his story.
28. She research for her thesis. Answer. She did research for her thesis.
29. He responsibility for the accident. Answer. He took responsibility for the accident.
30. She an important discovery. Answer. She made an important discovery.
Fantastic job today. Comment below which collocation is new for you. Practice them daily and try to use them in your own sentences.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fluent English Podcast.